Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azimuchi Azeru Oziri. Today we go talk about why you need lawyer for your life. You know, some people go tell you say, I no need lawyer. I no wan get anything to do with lawyer. This one happen, this one no happen. But the truth be say, if you wan succeed for this life, if you get any like you get this para for your body say you wan succeed, you wan dey successful for life, you no go fit escape lawyer, or you no go fit escape the work wey lawyer fit do for you. You know say some people get this mind say na only case lawyers dey do. No, in fact case na 20% of wetin lawyer fit do for you. The remaining 80% no be wetin go carry person go court. Now I wan tell una say the work wey, in fact wetin make you need lawyer, your personal lawyer wey be say na your you know say when you hear some people dem say I go call my lawyer now. Wetin make you need your own personal lawyer? One, you go get access to that lawyer anytime, any day, anywhere. Like as me I dey like this now, I get people wey be say I be their personal lawyer. Wetin we dey call am na retainership. I get people wey hold me on retainership. You know say these people 12 a.m. dem fit call me if emergency dey. Anytime dem go fit call me, anytime, any day. I no go fit talk say maybe I dey busy or anything. You know why? Dem dey pay me to be their personal lawyer. Dem don pay me, dem still dey pay me. Dem fit call me anytime. You know say if you get matter, if you get something wey you wan do wey be say before you go even, you know say before you enter lawyer office, you go consult the lawyer, you go pay consultation fee. In fact before the lawyer go even say jack, before the lawyer go even open im mouth talk anything, you go pay the lawyer. Now if na your personal lawyer, your personal lawyer fit waive that kind thing for you, or even though im no go waive am for you, your personal lawyer go give you ear first. Im go lis ten to you first before im go begin talk about consultation fee. That one na one reason why you need lawyer, your own personal lawyer. Because if I wan say why you need lawyer, the reasons why you need lawyer for your life for this country dey uncountable, no fit count am. But I dey tell you reason why you need your own personal lawyer. Another reason why you need your own personal lawyer be say if you carry your phone now, just call your lawyer say maybe something wey concern law wey you no dey sure of. If you just pick your phone now, ask your lawyer say, counsel, my lawyer, abeg see this thing, how I go do this thing, na my right to do this thing. Your lawyer go fit comfortably answer you. Your lawyer go just answer you like, okay, maybe somebody now, police stop you for road, dem wan search you, dem dey 10 of dem wan search you at the same time. Like one dey bonnet, one go dey front seat, and you know say your mind dey tell you say e be like say this thing no be so e suppose be. You go fit just call your lawyer say, barrister abeg, you go just call your lawyer say, barrister abeg, this thing wey police wan do dey right, e dey na wetin law talk. Your lawyer go just answer you. But me, no be say I no be your personal lawyer. If you call me to ask me that question, I go tell you to come office. You go come office. You go come office. Another reason wey you need your personal lawyer na, you see, when anything wey concern will, and I know wetin be will na, we never dey teach am, but I know wetin e be, wey go talk how your property go go when you no dey. You know say will dey talk when you no dey. Will na your mouthpiece when you don kpai, you don go overboard, you don go mother earth, na when will dey talk. Na only your personal lawyer go fit do this thing as e suppose be, because your personal lawyer na lawyer wey don dey na lawyer wey don dey follow your activities, lawyer wey dey follow your life, lawyer wey know every about you. You understand? So you need your personal lawyer. You need am. You need everybody. Like most people now wey dey come up as social media influencers, social media managers, you need your own personal lawyer, because some contract wey dem dey give you to sign, before you sign that contract, you suppose carry that contract show your lawyer. Show your lawyer say, lawyer abeg look this contract wey dem say make I sign, how e be, how e be. This thing na things wey your personal lawyer go dey do for you. Na things wey your personal lawyer go dey do for you. And to get a personal lawyer no be free. No be free. Even for free town, nothing be free. E get wetin dem dey call retainership agreement, retainership fee, all those kind things dem. You go dey pay your lawyer. Depending on how you and am agree, so una go dey pay, whether yearly o, monthly o, anyhow una agree. But you need your personal lawyer. Make nobody deceive you say you no need. When I see people wey dey say dem no need lawyer, some say nothing go ever, one say nothing go ever make her get any contact with lawyer, I just see say that one na failure. How you wan take succeed if lawyer, you no get lawyer, or if lawyer no go, you no wan do anything with lawyer? How you wan take buy land? How you wan take do business? How you wan take sign contract? How you wan take sign agreement? E get this proverb wey dem dey say, you no dey look for trouble, you no dey look for trouble, no mean say trouble no dey look for you, no go look for you. E get people say dem no be troublemaker, dem go just dey trouble go come meet dem. So if trouble come meet you, wetin you go do? Wetin you go do? You need lawyer. See, the same way wey you need blood to survive for life, na so you need lawyer to succeed for life. No allow anybody to deceive you. As e dey like this, na police arrest you, as you just say dem say make I call my lawyer, they don know say this one know wetin dey. Dem go know say you know what's up. No be say you begin say make I go find lawyer, make I go find lawyer and make I call my lawyer. No be the same thing o. If police or any law enforcement agency hear say let me call my lawyer, dem go know say this one know wetin dey. But if you begin say make I go find lawyer, or tell dem to find you lawyer, dem go know say you no follow. Today, try get your own personal lawyer. Try get your own personal lawyer wey you know say you go fit call anytime, any day. Thank you. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share. No dey watch am alone, watch and share. Thank you.